In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add files in a canvas in Slack, step by step. Slack Canvas is a powerful way to keep documents, notes, and resources organized inside your workspace, and adding files directly to a canvas makes collaboration much easier for your team. Whether you want to attach PDFs, images, or other documents, this quick method will help you do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, or from inside a channel, open the canvas where you want to add your files. This could be a channel canvas, a project canvas, or any shared canvas your team is using. Once the canvas opens, you'll see the main editing area, along with a toolbar at the top. Now look at the toolbar at the top of the canvas. Here, you'll find several icons for formatting and adding content. Click on the pin icon in the toolbar. This is the option Slack provides for attaching files directly into the canvas. After clicking the pin icon, you'll be prompted to add a file. Choose any file you want from your computer, such as a document, spreadsheet, image, or PDF. Once selected, Slack will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds. When the upload is complete, the file will appear directly inside the canvas. You'll now be able to see it listed, open it, or share it with your teammates who have access to that canvas. This makes it easy to keep all important files in one central place instead of searching through messages or channels. You can repeat this process to add multiple files to the same canvas. This is especially useful for project documentation, onboarding materials, or shared resources that your team needs quick access to. Any updates you make to the canvas will be visible to everyone who has permission to view it. And that's it. You've successfully added files to a canvas in Slack. It's a simple but powerful feature that can really improve how your team collaborates and stays organized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.